Dear students, in this video you will learn about the climate of India. The clothes we wear and the food we eat depend largely on the climate of the place where we live. Weather is the day-to-day conditions of the air at a particular place. It can be described as sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy or foggy. The climate of a place is the pattern of weather conditions over a very long period of time for about 35 to 40 years. The landform of an area, temperature and rainfall are important elements that affect climate. In India, temperature and rainfall vary from season to season and from place to place. Some places are hot while others are cold. Some places get very heavy rainfall while others are hit by droughts. In India, variations in temperature, rainfall, and monsoon winds result in three main seasons: winter, summer, and monsoon. The winter season begins from the middle of November and continues till the end of February. December and January are very cold in most parts of India. The nights are longer than the days. The coastal areas are neither hot nor cold, but it is very cold in the northern mountains. Strong winds from the west, called western disturbances, are followed by very cold weather and fog. A major part of India remains dry during this season except Tamil Nadu. Winter is the season of roasted groundnuts, apples and leafy vegetables. The summer season begins from the beginning of March and continues till the end of June. It gets very hot in May and June. The days are longer than the nights. Every part of India except northern mountains experiences hot and dry weather. Hot and dry winds called Lu blow over many parts of North India. Dust storms are common. The southern part of India, which is surrounded by sea on the three sides, is less hot. The cool breeze from the sea keeps the coastal area cool. Summer is the season of mangoes. The monsoon season starts in June. In some parts, it begins in July. The season continues till the middle of November. Winds blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. They are called monsoon winds. They carry lot of moisture and cause rainfall in most parts of India. Rainfall distribution is highly uneven. Meghalaya receives the maximum rainfall and Rajasthan receives very less rainfall in a year. The coast of Tamil Nadu remains dry from June to September. Plums, peaches and cherries are available during this season. Dear students, in this video you have learnt that weather changes every day. Climate remains the same for years. Temperature and rainfall affect the climate of a place. There are three main seasons in India: winter, summer and monsoon. Each has its own features. Thank you.